In this video, I want to talk about your ex. If you've ever trusted a woman completely, given her everything you had, and in the end, she still chose to leave. Right now, you might feel hurt, betrayed, disrespected, even broken. I get it, but bro, don't stay stuck there, because this is your moment to take control and turn things around. And it all starts with you. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 powerful rules. If you follow them, you won't just make your ex regret losing you, you'll level up your entire life. But remember, use this with the right intention, not for cheap revenge. Rule 1, move on and open yourself to new people. Let me be clear, this is not about revenge. A lot of guys think getting another girl means she has to be better than your ex. That's the wrong mindset. Stop comparing people. Everyone has different qualities. What you should focus on is becoming a better version of yourself. Find someone who appreciates you, brings out your best side, helps you grow. But more importantly, focus on yourself first. Build confidence, communication skills, emotional intelligence. Remember, your goal is not revenge. Your goal is to move on and be happy. Rule 2, fix your body and your mind. After a breakup, most men fall apart. They lose direction, lose confidence, make bad decisions. Don't be one of them. Focus on 2 things, your physical and mental health. Start with working out. Exercise is not just about looking good. It's about improving your mood, reducing stress, creating a positive mindset. Scientifically, exercise releases endorphins, the chemicals that make you feel better. And right now, you need that more than ever. On top of that, your body becomes stronger, more attractive, more confident, and your energy starts to change. Rule 3, upgrade your life and show it. This is the most important one. Not for her, but for you. Start upgrading your life, chase your goals, learn new skills, build your career, improve your lifestyle, and don't just stay silent. Let your growth be visible, not by showing off, but through real results. The truth is, many women still check on their ex after a breakup, and when she sees you happier, more successful, more focused, she will realize what she lost. But remember, this is not about making her jealous. This is about becoming your best self. Closing. Bro, in the end, you have a choice. Will this breakup destroy you, or will it build you into a stronger man? Don't let pain control your life. Use it as fuel to grow, because the best revenge is not hurting someone back. It's living a successful and fulfilling life. As once said, the greatest revenge is massive success. So build yourself, focus on your life, and let everything else follow. Stay strong. Keep moving forward.